Hi all. So today we are going to look at how do we get out from Excel file to Power Query tab. The Power Query is something which is used for ETL capability. ETL is extraction, transformation, and loading of data. So any kind of data updations and data corrections, if you want to make across our Excel data, we can make use of Power Query. So first of all, we go to Data tab. From here, we go to Get Data. And through this, we can launch the Power Query. So we have this editor here. If I go to new source file, we go to new source file, Excel work. You can select multiple items also. Here I have only one element. This is a preview of the data. Now, what I get over here is that this is the data that was there in the file, part of the Power Query editor. And we have home, transform, add column, and view. So we can carry out all the functionalities of Power Query using this editor. So in the next set of videos, I'll be telling you in more detail about the relevant features of Power Query. Right? Thank you guys for your time. See you later.